guys, it's the manufacturer millennium. Did you know in 1892 the rotary phone was introduced? Now, over 125 years later, we're still making phone calls. However, the device and the technology behind it, well, it's changed a little bit. The same is due with a lot of automation products and manufacturings. One of the things that comes to mind is cam and cam drives. It was one of the main solutions many years ago for motion, and I think of rotary index tables. Here's a video from the 1940s where a rotary is being driven by different cams to manufacture cigarettes for the boys overseas. Now, with the advancements in technology, I have a solution that is going to replace that bulky, over-engineered solution for, let's say, a much more versatile and low-cost package. Let's go ahead and check it out. So what we're looking at are two different products from two different manufacturers that are engineered together to create a unique solution. The first is Nexen's Zero Backlash Compact Ring Drive. Unlike cam-driven systems that have a programmed 2, 3, or 4 position rotary table, the precision ring can start and stop at any incremental position. If you are running varying jobs or need flexibility in positioning, or varying Excel and DXLs with your application, this is a great solution. The compact ring features an open center allowing for cabling and fixturing to run through the middle of it, and for static mounting frame that allows hardware to be mounted uniquely on the rotary. The CRD uses roller pinion technology with a combination of planetary and harmonic reducers to create zero backlash in an IP65 rated system. Now, the CRD comes in a variety of different sizes, starting at 150mm diameter bolt pattern all the way up to 550mm diameter, depending on what application and size rotary table you need. Integrated with this solution is Applied Motion Products' StepServo integrated motor. It features a built-in high-resolution 20,000 count encoder combined with its closed-loop servo firmware creates a unique high torque and also high-speed solution. The StepServo can create torque peaks that are 50% higher than open-loop motors, and they come in NEMA frame sizes with an optional IP65 rated design. My favorite feature about the StepServo is its built-in controller. I can apply my 24 volts up to 70 volts depending on my application, plug in my Ethernet cable, and I'm off and running. So let's break down the numbers of the system we're looking at right here. With an indexing precision of 20 arc seconds and a repeatability of 3.2 arc seconds, I can have loads of up to 1,000 kilonewtons right on my rotary with a speeds of up to 300 RPM. Now, all this is being communicated via optional Ethernet IP, and with a price of under $5,000 to you, I'd say that's a pretty good solution that you should look at for your next rotary index table. Now, I don't have a giant machine I can demo this for you, but what I do have is a really big Millennium Falcon I can get some cool shots of. Let's take a look. Stop. I said big Millennium Falcon.
It's a trap!
Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for checking out this rotary indexing solution with Nexen and Applied Motion Products. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.